Welcome back to my channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn sound. Let's proceed with the story. It is the school's summer fun day. In the morning, children do fun things in the classroom, and in the afternoon, there are races. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet are in the hopping race. Mr. Heath starts the race. 1, 2, 3, go! He shouts and waves his hat in the air. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet hop as fast as they can. It is a hot day and hopping is a hard work. Harriet is huffing and puffing by the time she finishes. Miss Hopkins gives everyone huge drinks. Let's move on to a rhyme. You have to pretend that you are panting and say sound.
Hop. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Let's do the formation of sound. Good job. Now let's start with the blending. Hat, hat. Hip, hip, hip. Hen, hen. His, his. It, hit, hit. Int, hint, hint. Onk, honk, honk.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.